Sometimes once you reach 22, they'll stop you prior, and they'll be like, okay, you got enough points. But if they don't stop you for the reason, you must have been you missed some points. Like I said, if you forget something, you can always go back as long as you haven't told them you're finished. But you cannot go back inside the truck if you forgot something inside. Um, all that being said and done, we're like I said, we're EZwheels Driving School, #1 school. We're here for you guys to tailor to your needs. I really hope to see everybody one day come here and check us out. We're here for you guys. Wish you guys all the best, and take care.